You all realize that Boys and Girls Champs 2018 are weeks away. And we're certainly not getting the buzz we were getting last year, this time, when the purple people, when the Kingston College people were all over the place. I said, Casey, I'm going to do this, and Casey, I'm going to do that. Even the Maverick got caught up in the hype. I'm going to predict, say, Casey going to win champs by 100 points. We all know what happened. Anyway, once bitten, twice shy. A school can win champs by 100 points this year, but it will not be Kingston College. But I tell you this though, with Casey out of the champs title race this year, the build-up to champs will be more sober, quiet, reasonable, and rational. And I don't know if KC confidence overall is shattered. First by losing champs last year, when them supposed to win, then come back, come lose Manning Cup, when them supposed to win. But it's like the purple stuffing knockout of the KC people. But we need it back. We need back the confident, strident, loud, pompous, obnoxious Kingston College attitude heading into champs. Anyway, KC or no KC, the Maverick is going to make the first champs prediction for 2018. I am not waiting for no Gibson Relay or no Digicel Grand Prix Series to predict the schools and the exact points tally in victory for Boys and Girls Champs 2018. And so, after being off by 100 points last year, for 2018, the winners of champs will... We're having some technical difficulties, so we postpone the prediction for later.